Boozer, that ball deflected and stolen by Mullins. Caravan, 2 seconds. Mullins tosses it up. Oh! It's good! With .3, UConn goes in front.
Utterly impossible.
March means drama. Caravan, 2 seconds. Mullins tosses it up. Oh! It's good! With .3, UConn goes in front.
The clock, and it said 5 seconds. So I tried to get the ball to somebody who had made one in the game, and he wanted to throw it back. So I saw 3 seconds. It was the last shot. Just happy to see that shit go in.